Hi, I am Dr. Paresh Karya, basically a graduate engineer in mechanical, MBA in marketing and PhD. Worked with multinational company and domestic company for 32 years, and at present I am in boardroom advisory for MNC at Asia Pacific level. Now, I'm really excited to share with you that one important program for leadership development, which is for a chief operating officer, which is coming up at Ahmedabad Management Association. All of you and me know that the contribution of operation is very important to the business, and especially the proper alignment of operation and business strategy is very, very important. So we have tailored this program for COO, and even this program is for aspiring COO also. Now coming to the core part of this program, what we have included, because based on feedback and we have tailored, so important module, number one, strategic leadership, wherein we rope in that how to align operation with the business strategies and exceed the expectation of all the stakeholder. Second module is operational excellence. So title itself, gives us the idea that how to achieve the competitive excellence in the operation. And today you and I know that the expectation from CEO are very high, right? So this module is critical, wherein we have included Lean Six Sigma tools, we have included digital transformation, we have included benchmarking, means how to rope in the best practices across the operation, many things including data analytics. The third module is people management. You and I know that in operation, people are very, very important, and properly, aligned people definitely, deliver the best in class results. The fourth module is processes. In operation, if you ask me to get success, I think process, wherein we put a focus and detailing on process maturity of your organization. And if process is a high impact and low maturity, definitely this will not deliver result to the operation. So process is very important module. And last, the real world, activities here. We use case studies, simulations and hands-on exercises to rope in the real idea to improve the operation. Even here you will mirror your problem once you attend case studies and hands-on exercises and simulation. And finally, before I conclude this program, COO, trust me, on completion, you will get the confidence to execute your action plans, which you have planned, and you will be developing action plan here to get the more and more result. So look forward to see at our leadership development program for CEO. Thank you.